The pain was so excruciating. The knee just did not bend. And when it did bend, it hurt.
He's had knee pain my whole life. Even as a little girl, he did not do things that other dads did. He didn't go to field trips. He didn't do any of those things.
I did foundation repair, worked in the oil field and fracking, jumping up and down off trailers, truck driver going up and down. It's just, it's hard on the knees. And I did that until the safety supervisor saw me trying to get out of my truck and I fell. And he said, "You're done."
I have patients that come to me with osteoarthritis, and it is essentially a condition where people wear through the cartilage within their knee itself. In Rick's particular situation, he had worn it almost to an extent where he was rubbing bone on bone for years and had what we call a fixed deformity, meaning that he could not actually correct the deformity that he had within his knees, even with me stressing them. So not only is that debilitating from a pain standpoint, but also from a physical standpoint, meaning that he had difficulty walking, putting on his socks and shoes, getting up out of a chair, going up and down stairs.
The entire time, Dr. Gendi was smiling. He was happy. He was genuinely enthusiastic about changing people's lives. He gave us the education. He gave us the information. He explained it to us, and no question was too big or too small.
And he says, "You're gonna love what we're gonna do." And I'm like, this man's pretty confident, And then he starts explaining and everything, and he just kept saying, and then he started asking me, which made me feel better about it, what I wanted out of it. What is it that you're not being able to do that you want to do? And of course, the first thing I told him, I want to be able to walk to the end of the fishing pier. On December 2nd, I had my right knee replaced. And then 6 weeks later, on January 20th, I had my left knee replaced. After all the meds wore off and everything, I was expecting some pain, and I did have some. But I started laughing because everybody's saying, "Oh, it's going to hurt." Compared to the pain I was in before, it was nothing.
Seeing my dad play with his grandchildren was something different. I know that we made the right choice and we chose the right doctor. By seeing him do things that he didn't get to do before.
I've already walked the pier. You'll find yourself doing things that you haven't done in a long time. Even exercises, walking, there's really not a word. They gave me my life back. I feel like a person again.